Hi, this is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'd like to present to you this approved used Audi RSQ8 Vorsprung. Now, this particular example is finished in the optional Mythos black metallic paintwork, which has really given this vehicle that standout road appearance. And now taking a look at the performance stats, the RSQ8 does feature a twin turbocharged 4-litre V8 petrol engine, which produces 592 bhp and 590 pounds-feet of torque, and a 0 to 62 time of 3.8 seconds, and a top speed limited to 155 miles an hour. Moving on now, looking at the exterior features, we do find these fantastic digital LED matrix headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Moving downwards now, we find these massive 23-inch 5 wide-spoke rotor design RS alloys, which do really complement that fantastic metallic black paintwork. Moving upwards now, we find the sliding panoramic glass sunroof, which is a part of the Vorsprung specification, does let in that lovely natural light into the interior. Moving into the rear boot space now of the Audi RSQ8, where we find up to 605 litres of storage space, just a large amount for a performance SUV of this size, and this can easily accommodate 3 larger suitcases as well as a few additional shopping bags. Now moving into the rear seats, we find a full quilted nap leather RS interior. There is also a leather centre armrest which is folded down to present 2 useful cup holders, and there are Isofix points which are neatly located across the back row. There are electric blinds for the rear passengers, as well as a digitalised dual zone climate control with heated seats. Moving into the front now, we find a very well designed and luxurious interior with a large amount of plush materials such as Alcantara, Dynamica, Napa leather and carbon fibre. With this being the RSQ8 Vorsprung, it does mean the sliding panoramic glass sunroof is fitted as standard, and on the seats you get the RS logo with the honeycomb pattern. Above now we find the virtual cockpit, which is featured the central sports rev counter, and on this you can also access telephone connectivity as well as important vehicle data. To the centre of the dashboard now we find this impressive MMI touchscreen display, which does feature the satellite navigation and does also allow usage of your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Just below this now we find the equally impressive digitalised dual zone climate control, which is touch sensitive, and there are heated and ventilated seats either side for both front occupants. Moving to the screen above once again now we find the optional 3D surround view and 360 cameras, making the RSQ8 much easier to park, especially in those tighter spaces. So thank you for watching this video of the approved to use Audi RSQ8 Vorsprung, which is now available at Stafford Audi. For more information, please don't hesitate to get in touch with our friendly